Hello, investor and trader. Welcome back to another episode of Live Day Trading Recap. Man, the market today is super green. The Nasdaq up like almost 500 points. The Dow up 500 points and more. I'm like, whoa! Everything just popped. So everybody must have a good day today, right? So all my portfolio, of course, went up, and then it's so hard to day trade using my strategy, right? Catching a falling knife when everything is pop. So before I continue, I want to make a little disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor or a stock guru, or even claim to be one. I'm just a random dude on YouTube, love to trade stock and invest in the stock market. So let's just get straight to the footage. So right here is a 5-minute chart. Right here is a 30-minute chart. Right here is an hour chart. So the whole idea of this video is I trade on a bigger time frame and reduce my share size. But they're kind of funny. The emotion still gets to you, man. I can't believe it. I'll show you what I mean by that. So AMD at the market, it popped just like any other stocks. Some stock popped like 5, 10, 15, 20%. Like, whoa, slow down, you know? So then it pulled back. I'm like, yes, finally, a pullback. All right. As you can see, the pre-market low right here, very obvious, right? Common sense. Pop, pop 3 times. Fall, pop, fall, pop, fall, pop, right? So that got my attention. Now I'm waiting for this stock, AMD, to pull back down to here and see if it holds. On top of that, check out the 1 hour chart. Notice the crossover right here. So it's very bullish. So I'm expecting, okay, worst case is down to here. And I'm expecting this moving average to hold, which is the 20 intraday EMA. So it's falling, just patiently waiting. On this one, I didn't bother to wait for a reversal signal. I explain why. Oops, too fast. Okay, so there we go. So now stock's falling, right? The reason why I didn't wait for confirmation like my normal, like my usual, right? Reversal plus confirmation. This one extremely no confirmation. Why? Dude, the Dow up almost 500 points. The Nasdaq up almost 5. Everything is going up. You know, it just buy on the dip. That's all it is to it. Easy day, right? So I got in right there. You can see it went down and went pop up real quick, 80 cents, and I pull back down. I don't want to buy 80 cents. I want to buy near the $0.50. So as soon as I see starting in the 50 cents range, I already entered. So small again, small size, 300 shares. The whole idea of this video is to use bigger time frame, 5-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour with reduced size. Because I want to see if I can hold my share a little bit longer. Unfortunately, I couldn't hold it because emotion, freaking emotion, man. Damn it. All right, so let me pass forward a little bit. Looking good, nothing to worry about. So it popped all the way to 40 something cents. Again, this was not my $0.50 at one point. It was not my target, so I didn't want to sell. So then it went back down. I'm like, okay, no big deal, no big deal. Just give some time. I should add more, huh? Man, but I want to trade small size though. I can't add more. Even I add more, I'm not gonna add near my entry because from here, where did I enter? Like right here, $0.50 to here, it's only like 40 cents. That's way too close for me to add, so I'm not gonna add more. So I'm like, okay, just wait for the price target to sell, and there you go. Oop, too fast. Yeah, around 80 cents. That's why I try to exit, but I exit around 79 cents, 78 cents. So that was $356 first trade, not so bad. And of course, I didn't sell at the top because it continued to the upside a little bit. As you can see, even higher. All right, so let's go on to the second trade. So now I'm just surfing around. Okay, what can I find? Everything is just getting higher and higher. Market is so green today, man. All right, NVDA. NVDA here looks pretty good on the 5-minute. Well, it kind of overextended, right? RSI, stochastic, all high. But I saw the hour chart. Notice the timer here. It's almost finished the first hour, this candle already, because it's hour chart. I'm like, whoa, that's a pretty bullish candle, you know? I think it can go higher. And it did. It went higher. So I enter around 315. Small size, 100 shares. Okay. Little pullback, no big deal. My original target which I'm going to show right here in footage. I should have stick to my plan, but I didn't. See my original target, the hour chart. I was using a bigger time frame. I see, okay, that's a nice candle. I think it can go to at least 20 or 18, 19. How about like 320 to 18, 19? That was the original plan, but that didn't go according to plan, of course, because like freaking emotion, man. Even I trade 100 shares, small size, the emotion is still there. So as soon as I see the 16, okay, I'm out. So I exit right there, 16. Like okay, I'm out because on the 5, I'm like, it's so high. I'm expecting something like pull back right here and then rip. But yeah, emotion, man, hard to control. All right, that's the second trade, up like 105 bucks. Notice it didn't show right here because of the lag. Kind of sucks. Yeah, Fidelity does that sometime where it just lag on you. So now I'm just surfing around. What else can I find? Now I'm just checking the queues. Like, damn man, the queues keep going. Check the hour chart, the bigger time frame and stuff like that. NVEX, my friend he wanted to short this stock. I'm just watching it. Like, okay. I don't think I want to short it. And then around looks good right here, right? The formations are short. He was shorting the stock right here. He wanted to short it. But the market is so green. Check out this 1 hour candle right here. It's like a solid green, man. So yeah, he got stopped out eventually because it reversed after that. Square missed it. What else I can find? Right here. Okay, this stock I wasn't watching it. Obviously, I just barely found it. Right, it tanked down 26%. I check up the info real quick why it tanked so much. It has to do with earnings. So okay, and then I saw this right here. I'm like, okay, that's a nice RSI conversion divergence. Retest double bottom, higher RSI. A perfect entry would be right here. I had a higher high, right, around 56, 57. Notice it's already 60, so I'm like, oh crap, I missed it because this is going to act as a heavy resistance or near the 60 because of the whole dollar. And check out on the 30-minute right here, see it's approaching this moving average right here. So I know, what a bummer, totally missed it. Oh well, because I know from there it's gonna go back down or have a hard time passing it. So my last trade is going to be right here on AMD. So here I'm just surfing around, checking all the time frame and stuff like that. And pass forward a little bit to go to AMD. There we go. So enter AMD right there, 200 shares, reduce my size, didn't want to give back my profit. So the candle formation looks pretty good on the 5-minute, but mainly I was watching the 1 hour chart. Again, I traded a bigger time frame on this particular day. I just want to test it out, cause normally I don't trade the hour chart, I trade the 5-minute chart, but I'm gonna rely on this hour chart right here. At one point, it is doing pretty good, right? It's going up. Next candle didn't hit my price target, so I didn't want to sell. And then it went down. So here I started to notice something. Okay, now I got it. I got it. It's right here, right? Duh. Lower high, lower high. Okay, but here's the thing. The market is just so green. So there's nothing to panic about. The hour chart still intact. The crossover is right here. It's just probably gonna retest right here at 4280, 4290 at the worst case scenario. But the worst case scenario, maybe it will retest 42. And then if I need to add some shares, I could because, like I said, it's only 200 shares, not a big size. So that pullback did not scare me at all. Of course, it didn't fall that much. It bounced. Stochastic is getting good. Crossover, maybe go back higher. It did eventually. But it has to break this trend line right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Like, let me draw it again. It has to break this little trend line and then continue to the upside. And there you go. Trend line broken. Now it's back to the price target right here where I didn't want to sell. Of course, I still didn't want to sell because I did not hit my price target. So I decided to hold a little bit more. My original price target is right here. Kind of common sense, right? The previous high, or near the previous high, or slightly below the previous high, you know? Or be very optimistic, way up here or higher, which I should have done because the market is still going up. There you go. Exit just slightly below 40 cents because of this right here. All right. And that's all for my trade. Three trades, all green trades. So again, it does not show the P&L because the lag again. So it kind of sucks. So I gotta do it manually. So you take this number, subtract this number, multiply by 200. The profit is around 144. And then of course do the same thing for this. You take this number, subtract this number, multiply by 100, which is around 104, 105. Then add this trade right here, which it did for you already. So at the end of the day, only $606 trading small size on a bigger time frame. Well, trying to be on a bigger time frame of these two time frames right here, the hour and the 30-minute, not just the 5-minute chart. All right, happy Tuesday. Hopefully you guys did well today trading or investing because everything is green today. It'd be funny your portfolio is red. It's nearly impossible to have a red portfolio today. All right, see you guys in the next one. Bye.